What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and today we have an interesting video. We are back with another backpack, but this time it's a little different. I think I found the ultimate gadget backpack, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. Now, I'm not gonna go through all the tech that's inside of this guy, but I do want to show you guys just how good of a backpack this thing is. So this backpack is by System G. This is their Gaming Plus backpack, and this is made for gamers, people who want to bring around a ton of tech, peripherals, laptops, all that kind of stuff. It's supposed to go inside of this bag, and I will tell you guys, this thing is high quality. Now, when I first got my hands on this during the massive tech unboxing, I believe they had a Kickstarter campaign going for this. I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but I still wanted to talk about this thing because I actually started using it recently, and man, it is insane. But let's go through this thing, guys. So this is the overall backpack, and the first thing you'll notice is that it's got this huge hump over here, and we are going to talk about that in a bit. But this is actually a hard shell case. So if you have anything precious, things that you want to protect inside of here, you're gonna be able to do that with no problem at all. Now, this thing is absolutely loaded with compartments, and I'm telling you guys, this is a very well thought out backpack. So all over the backpack, you've got these little latches to kind of make sure everything is nice and secure, and it's great for security because no one can just run up and unzip your backpack. Look at this. See me struggling? So you can actually open up the very front. This pouch has some pretty cool stuff going on. So you can open it up and you have access to quite a few different spots. Right inside of here, you have this little orange bag. And this thing is cool because you can use it to store all kinds of cables and accessories, whatever it is you want to bring around. You can put it right inside of this guy and strap it right to this part. Now, you've also got little straps for things like pens and pencils. You guys know I always like to carry some around with me. And over here, you've got these little pockets that look like they were perfectly made for Nintendo Switch games. So I've got a couple lined up over here. I think that is absolutely awesome that you have a dedicated spot to put your Switch cartridges. I love the attention to detail. And if you look over here, we have a couple of more spots, some more compartments that you can throw whatever you want inside of here. I got a USB-C dongle over here. You got a little pouch over here that feels so high quality. Like, from this to the bag itself, everything inside of here, guys, the best quality I've seen in a backpack ever. Inside of this thing, you can put whatever you want. I think on their website, they showed a passport or something. I've got a portable charger, so that's something that I keep right inside of here. It's very, very nice. It feels so premium, and you're probably gonna hear me say that a lot. Now, that's just this little compartment up front. Here, we have access to the big compartment. Now, what's cool is that you also have these little clips right here so that you don't have to open this all the way. But if you want, you can pop them open and boom, you get access to everything right here. At the very top, I've got my Xbox Elite controller. So this is like the whole gaming aspect here. You can throw controllers. It's probably made for sunglasses or something, but I threw an Xbox Elite controller inside of there. And you can put other things like portable chargers. I have like 2 mini inside of here, but I have the ability to bring all of them because there are just so many compartments. Little pockets like this, stuff like AirPods. I have even more earbuds. It's just really nice. More portable chargers. Right here, you can actually hold a pair of headphones, so that's kind of cool. That's not how I'm using it, but you can do that. But if you just felt the material that this is made out of, guys, I'm telling you, best quality backpack that I've ever seen. Now, yes, there are tons of pockets over here, but check this out over here too. So they've got this little addition here that you can actually pop right off, and you can carry some stuff inside of here too. So 2 pockets at the bottom, holding all kinds of moment lenses. You guys see all kinds of moment lenses. You can pretty much put anything that you want inside of here. I also had a mouse, so I had a gaming mouse. At the top, I've got a pair of headphones, so I can listen to my music, whatever it is. I can fit all of this inside of here, and we haven't even gotten that deep, guys. But what's also cool is that you have this little netted area where you can throw something in, like a t-shirt or maybe a change of clothes. Whatever it is, you can kind of put it inside of here and you have like a dedicated spot for that. And when you get past that, you guys can see I've got a couple more things here. A full-blown Nintendo Switch case. This is not a small case, but it fits right here perfectly. Got my Switch inside of here, a bunch of games, so I have access to all of that. And right here I have my 3DS, so this is always coming around with me as well. Spot dedicated for it right here. And I have an iPad, just lots and lots of space, guys. And even up top here, you have a zipper that you can get access to something. Me, with this being a gaming backpack, I of course have the Razer phone 2. This is the gaming phone, so it's only right if I'm in a gamer's mindset that I have something like this here. But you can fit pretty much any phone if you want to put it over here. That's okay. You of course have these side pockets that can hold onto stuff. I think I have something over here. So you can fit whatever you want, whether it's a water bottle, whether it's a piece of tech, you can do that. But not only do you have that, you also have a little spot on the side to hold a little something else. I don't know what you would put inside of here, but you can put something inside of here, and there's actually another one on this side as well. So you get an extra pocket right here in the back. Oh dang, you get it on both sides as well. It's like unlimited pocket space. But let's get to the back of this thing. You can unhook these little security hooks, and boom, you have access to a slot for your laptop. And heck, there's even a pouch for another laptop or tablet. I carry around 2 laptops with me. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. Who needs all this stuff? I do. But yeah, you have a slot for your laptop, a tablet or another laptop, and a little something else. And this is the 15-inch model of this backpack, so it can hold a 15-inch laptop, no problem. But I believe they also have a 17-inch version. But yeah, this is plenty big to carry a ton of stuff. Now, the compartments don't end here. You also have some over here at the very bottom. Who would even think? But you have some right here. You got these little slots that can probably work as a wallet. It's kind of crazy. But you got these little 2 things on the sides. This is actually good for holding keys. You can have your keys stored inside of here. You can just pull them out when you get home or something. And on the other side, you got the exact same thing. So this could be good for cards or maybe some cash if you want. But you can pretty much fit anything inside of here. Probably throw a tile in there would be nice. But what's also great is that there's a little zipper here at the bottom that gives you access to these latches, which hold on to this guy. I believe this is a 35-inch mouse pad. So when you're gaming, you're going crazy, you got space for your mouse, your laptop, you can just kind of go nuts. And I believe this is one of their extra accessories. This is like an add-on, but it is very, very high quality along with everything else. So you can strap that onto the bottom, but if you don't want to, you can take these straps and kind of tuck them away at the bottom here, zip it up, and boom, they're gone. But what's clutch about this when you have it open is that you can pull these out and you can put this over a suitcase. So if you want to put this thing over the handle of your suitcase, you can pull your suitcase and this at the same time. I like when backpacks have that feature. And there is plenty padding, so this thing feels comfortable. But I will say, the straps here always get loose whenever I've got my stuff in it, probably because I'm carrying a lot. But it would have been nice if this thing had some kind of locking mechanism so that it's not always falling down my back. It can kind of stay in place. I wish it had that. Now this seems like the perfect backpack, but I'm telling you guys, I just can't use it as my daily because it's too big. Look at this thing, it's gigantic. And this hard shell case, that's not helping, man. While it's nice to be able to put all of the stuff inside of here and be sure that it's protected, it's just way too big. When I throw this thing on my back, guys, I will bump into things without even realizing it. There's a level of clearance that you expect to have with your backpack, but it is so hard to judge with this thing because it is just so long. There have been times where I bumped into walls by simply turning because I didn't expect that I'd hit it. So that is my biggest complaint. If System G makes a version that doesn't have the hard shell case, but with all the same materials that they made this out of, best backpack hands down. And I'm telling you guys, I love this thing, but I just can't use it. I'm like president and CEO of Turtle Gang, but I can't rock with this. I might try though, because I really like how it holds everything that I have with me. And honestly, it's pretty inexpensive. This thing is less than 200 bucks from what I saw on Kickstarter. I believe if you backed it, it was as low as $80. So that is an amazing price. I think the 17-inch is of course gonna be a bit more money. I don't remember how much that one costs, but I'll try to have like their links down below in the description. But System G, if you're listening, you gotta make this without the hard shell case, and you've got yourself a winner. But what do you guys think of this? Do you care about a gaming backpack? Do you care about something that's as high quality as this and such a cheap price? Would you trade mobility to have access to a high quality bag that can hold all of your stuff? Let me know with a comment down below. I really hope to see more from this company because they knocked this one out of the park. It is a Kickstarter campaign, so who knows what's really gonna happen with that. But man, if this thing actually comes out, it's a game changer. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I'm going to continue trying to use this just to see what my experience is like. It's such a good backpack. But till the next video, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.